Hi guys! So today I'm going to be unboxing and customizing a wig that I bought for just $20. $20. Life happens. You just paid your rent, just paid your bills, new tires, you're helping out your family. Things happen and you don't have over $200 to pay for some hair right now. So I got you, girl. If you want to find out how I customize this wig for only $20, stay tuned. So this is the Bohemian wig, pure natural, the best quality, heat-friendly, like human hair, deep part lace. And the style that I got was Egyptian Girl 30-inch. And this is how it looks. Ooh. And this is the wig. Here's the wig. They didn't have a 1B or 1, and 2 was the closest to a 1B, so it's not that bad. It's pretty dark. So if they don't have a 1 or 1B, 2 can be an option for you. Inside, there are no clips at all. It's just the inside. This is all the lace that you have to customize. You just have two adjustable straps in the back. Let's try it on. The hairline looks great. I'm going to cut this off. You can't see nothing. What? The part is so tight. So I'm gonna go tweeze my part a little bit and then I'll come back and put some concealer on the part. I'm gonna go tweeze and I'll be back. It's a deep part, so tweeze deep. Utilize the deep part. We're gonna tweeze from there to here. Yeah, so it's about right here. Getting better.
Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money, only money.
Now that I put the concealer in the part, also the outsides a little bit, I am going to put some Got2b spray on, put the wig on, customize the front, and then cut the lace off. I'm going to spray a little bit, not that much, just in the front of my hairline. Give it a little swing. I do have a widow's peak, which is annoying, and I'm not going to wear my wig all the way in front of my hairline. Like, well, I am, but not like here. It's crazy. A rat tail comb is pretty good. So here's my widow's peak. It's like right there. And I'm not gonna wear it up here, no. And I don't want to cut it either, because you know, you never know how long you're gonna have your edges for. I just let it be and make it do what it do. Just a little, not too much, not overdoing it, because I still need to shape it and cut the lace off. So let's put on the wig. What I did cut some frays. I did not cut off all of the lace. I did leave some so that I have something to stick the wig on my head with, if you get it. So I left some, just a little, and then I spray. I can't really see, but basically I spray, and either just something like this, and I just kind of like massage it in the front, you know? So the lace can lay down and also kind of cover the lace a little bit. $20, girl. It feels very, very soft, very light. Even though it looks full, it's very light. So here's the results. Looks great. I love it. For $20, you cannot beat this. Here's the back. I am very happy. You cannot beat this. Even if this wig lasts me 2 weeks, it's worth $20. If it lasts me a month, it's definitely worth $20. If it lasts me 2 months, oh my goodness. Even, I'll take a week. I even take a week for $20. Like, you can't beat that. Come on now. You know, sometimes you just don't have it to be spending the money, and $20, go get you this wig. Go get you this wig. Even if you want to switch it up for a day or two, this is cool to just throw on and, you know, be cute. You can put a flat iron in it. It's up to, it says 337 degrees. But then it says in the box, like a picture, 377. I don't know. I wouldn't trust it. You probably could put heat on it, but not really high, like maybe 200, 225, something really low. But I wouldn't put heat on it. I wouldn't put hairspray. Just for the lace on the front, put hairspray, but I would just use water. Like, I wouldn't even risk it just because it's so cheap. I wouldn't put no products in this thing. Just agua. Insu water. That's all I would put in this. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. This hair. So if you like this video, a thumbs up, comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, SooFire TV. Be sure to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I will be rocking this hair. And if you want to see how it's holding up, follow me. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.